So guys in the band, be thinking about the songs Guitar Gently Weeps in Because in your head for a minute.
Oh, it's video. Oh, it's video. Oh, it's video.
Piano. That's good, that's it.
Right here. Cool.
Alright, moving on to Jack's keyboard.
A little bit more.
Fast.
Oh, you got it? Yeah, you got to switch it to it. So.
Do you have both pickups on?
Right, okay.
Try it like that. I think it's a little better.
Oh, okay.
Check this out.
No, I didn't do the body language of tempo and
Cool.
You don't really have to lean too far.
Where'd the pick go? Throwing those picks away. I don't got a lot.
Oh, yeah.
You know what? I'll fix it. You play it and I'll fix it if need be. Wait, hold on. Yeah, Rich. Show me way down south, take me to your daddy's farm. Baby, you better let me swing out. Come, if you come out, walk up that USSR. Good, thank you. Will's vocal, please.
Tiny smidge more of Jack's vocals. Ooh. 1 dB. Whatever the hell that is.
Jack, give Will a bit more.
Come on, dude.
From my enemy to your way to see. Didn't get to bed all the way to paperback was on my feet. Man, I had a trace. Down a little bit. Jack's vocal down slightly. You know how lucky you are, boy. Back in the USSR.
This way?
Hey Chris, I'm also using the Rosewood Telly on that side of the stage for Get Back.
Well, you didn't tell your
Rosewood Telly, get back.
Oh, okay.
Let's see.
Thank you.
She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Lost your love, and I saw her yesterday. It's you she's thinking of. And she told me what you must say. Said she loves you, and you know that. Yeah, good. Jack, she loves you, and you know you should be glad. Right? Said you heard it so. She almost lost her mind, but now she says she knows you're not the hurting kind. She says she loves you, and you know that can't be bad. She loves you, and you know that can't. Oh. She loves, yeah, 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 yeah. With a love like that, thank you. And I do appreciate you being around, helping get my feet back on the ground. I want you to please help me. And now my life is changing in so many ways. My independence seems to vanish in the haze. Rich, but every now and then I feel so insecure. I know that I just need you like I've never done before. Does it have a point of view? Knows not where he is going to. Isn't he a bit like you and me? No, man, don't worry. Take your time, don't